songs naman, yung mga mangyayari na lang sa Pasko, so simulan natin 3 days before Christmas.
Bakla. Yun na nga yung kasal.
Ayun ba yun?
Ano ba? Ano ba?
Ano mangyayari?
Ha?
Ano mangyayari?
Hindi kakasal na nga ako. Now, that's why in my dedication, because when we were doing the dedication for the album, yung thank you song, I realized that this is my last album as a single person. So, it's nice. And sana magustuhan nyo, we really worked hard for this album and hopefully matuwa naman kayo sa album nito. Yes. Ha? Sa bahay. Bahay lang. Hindi ko pa alam eh. Wala pa. Siguro next year na yun.
Alright. Next question, please. Sino po? Pwede tayo magtanong.
Dito daw po.
Jeff Fernando, ABC Paul.
Sige po. Pakilapit na lang po. Ayun, may microphone po doon sa bandang likod.
Miss Jeff Fernando.
Jeff Fernando.
Miss Jeff Fernando.
Miss daw, miss.
Promotion is ready.
Regine, based sa title ng album mong Fantasy, meron ka pa bang fantasy na hindi nagagawa?
Ano?
Ano ka?
Bagong bago yun
Bago. So far, I was able naman to do everything, I guess, except for being pregnant. So far, yeah, I was able naman to do everything that I wanted to do. I was given the opportunity to do them all. So, actually, tama-tama lang din yung nagsisettle down ko kasi para nagawa ko na rin lahat ng gusto ko. So, wala nang siguro maging mami na lang.
Lapit ka pa sa
Alright. Sino po po nais magtanong for Miss Regine Velasquez? Asan po sila?
Hi ate, maklala.
Alexis.
Ayun, yung mga doon sa covers, yung mga songs doon, kasama ko sa audience. Tsaka ano yung para yun yung mapunta din sa mga listahan niya.
Actually, yung covers, most of them ako talaga yung namili. Kasi, iniisip ko pa kung alin yung hindi ko pa nakakover. And, normally kasi when I do a cover song, I listen to the original. Pag yung masyado nang maganda talaga yung original, ayoko na i-revive. Kasi parang wala na akong magagawa. Bababuyin ko na yung next level. No? So, ganun yung category, ganun yung pagpili ko ng i-revive from the root word, i-revive. Tapos, sa original songs, actually, it was Augie who helped me with the original songs. As a matter of fact, he was the one who called up yung mga friends namin na songwriters. And sa kanya in-email lahat, like si Chito, siya nag-email, kinausap niya, si Noy Volante. Siguro yung nakausap ko na ako, dalawa lang, si Isabella at si Robin. But the rest of the songs, the rest of the songwriters, it was Augie who talked to them.
May mga maraming fans na may gusto ng cover. Mayroon naman nagtatanong bakit kaya hindi gumawa ng original. Yung mga Filipino singers natin na to. Since eto, dalawa yung CD ng album mo, hindi ka ba kinakabahan na yung mga tao, di ba yung originals, medyo mahirap tanggapin or pag natanggap nila talaga todo-todo nila?
This is the reason, that's why we have like 2 CDs. Kasi alam namin na yung mga bumibili ng CD, they still want familiar songs. Siyempre, gusto nila yung alam na nila, they can already sing along to the songs. That's why we devoted 1 CD for that. And we devoted 1 CD for the originals. Kasi ayokong isamahan lang. Gusto ko kasi mag-record ng madaming originals. Plus the cover songs that I picked for this album these are the songs that didn't actually, parang, oo, hindi siya necessarily naging hit. But they're familiar songs, but it's not the kind yung mga kagaya ng i-revive ko before na madinig mo lang, sisingalong ka na talaga. It'll take time for you to, yeah, I know the song. Para hindi masyadong lumaban dun sa original songs. So, and I'm also asking everybody, and syempre yung mga kaibigan na rin natin, press, to give the original songs a chance. Kasi, syempre, kung isang pakinigan lang, hindi mo kaagad maisa sa puso, hindi yan agad tatatak sa ulo mo. So you kind of have to listen to it a lot of times first. Kasi just like all the other songs naman yung mga nag-hit, kaya naman sila nag-hit because we kept listening to them, yung mga radio stations kept playing them, and that's why tumatak na sa isip natin yun. So, para magkaroon ulit tayo ng gano'n ng mga OPM songs, please give the original songs a chance naman. And I think this is going to be the, parang, ito na yung magiging simula ng, for next year, parang magiging trend na to na madami mga original songs, Filipino music, so, which is a good thing. Thank you.
Next question.
Alam mo nila sa mga single ka, it means makakagalit na yung single album after na.
Hindi naman. Kaya lang nung ginagawa kong thank yous, parang ngayon na lang ako single. Kasi next year, buti nga inabot ko pa yung pag-release single pa ako. Akala ko nga next year naman release na asawa ko. Pero wala na, parang na-senti lang ako ng konti na ginagawa namin yung thank yous. But it also says there na, thank God, it's my last album as a single person. Wala eh. Kasi nga, later on ko na lang na-realize na nagagawa na kami ng thank yous. Thank you.
Questions po po? Meron po tayong microphone sa bandang likod. And right in the middle, if you want to ask some more questions. From SNM, Mikey.
Miss Mikey.
Mikey. Mikey. Yeah.
So siya, my boys Reg. Tanong ko lang po, kung alin doon sa mga songs mo sa album ang i-consider mo na kantahin sa wedding mo?
Kantahin sa wedding? Hindi ko alam kasi nung nag-announce din kami na magpakasal na kami, for some reason yung ibang mga songs medyo appropriate sa pag-aasawa, like yung waiting, parang wedding song siya, that's why ginamit namin yung parang teaser and we showed the prenuptial pictures. Kasi lagi kaming nakakakita ni Ogie na, alam mo yung mga videos na ginagawa ng mga fans, na natutuwa kami kasi magkanta. So, we thought it'd be nice to share the prenuptial photos with those people who like to do videos of us. So, para actually get sa nila. Thank you.
Question po po?
From Brainiac, abscnews.com. Brainiac.
Hi, Reg. Ito.
Ay,
Natanong ko lang kasi we opened the album kanina and I think one of the highlights also, aside from your songs, yung mga pictures, hindi ko pinagandaan masyado.
Hindi naman pa siya.
Ayun yung comment nga nila, even the Michael Warners na medyo daring nga daw.
I've been daring naman before. Kaya lang, I guess kasi this time mas sexy yung mga photos. Parang wala lang, naisip ko lang. It'd be nice to do this kasi parang mag-asawa na ako after, so baka mag-jubis na ako after. Jubising ng lolo mo, so I thought it'd be nice to do it now. Actually, kaya din na-excite ni War, I think kasi ang daming mga photos na magaganda, kaya naging dalawang packaging. originally talaga may postcards and we wanted a lot of pictures, but we didn't naman talk about, we didn't discuss naman that it was gonna be too packaging. But I'm happy that they liked it. So, ngayon, dalawang packaging. So, yung sa mga nagko-collect, you can get ko.
Yeah, ano lang, parang if ever you'll get pregnant, would you consider like other people other women ang picture na pregnant? Would you do that?
Kung maganda ako. Kung pangit ako, ba't pa ako mag-aabala? Diba?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Krisa from Eli.
Hi, Miss Reg. Hello po. Ayan, question lang po, yung sa mga kanta ninyo sa album, ano yung isang kanta doon na pwede mag-describe sa state ninyo ngayon? Overall, in general.
If there's one song like that, siguro yung Been Waiting, no? Kasi parang nasa ganung level ako. Siguro yun, that's it.
Sige po, thank you.
Thank you.
Showbiz Central, anyone?
One-on-one na lang daw.
Okay, over na.
Alright, ako naman, nag-question ako Miss Reg. Miss Reg, palagi kayo nagkakaroon ng concert ni Mr. Rodney Alcacid. Usually, mga Valentine or Valentine concerts. This coming year, 2011, sa FEBA, may bala kayo mag-show ulit.
Parang hindi eh. Kasi I'm doing a new soap. Masasagasaan yung February. So, siguro baka hindi. At saka baka nakaka-stress din kasi mag-concert as meron akong ibang ginagawa. Usually kasi pag-concert lang. And since we already started with a new soap, obviously I can't anymore do a concert. Especially if it's a major one.
Okay, so guys, get ready for the one-on-one interview. But for the meantime, let's let Miss Regine Velasquez have lunch first. She'll have a quick lunch, and then yung mga TV po, pwede na kayong mag-set up sa taas for the one-on-one interview. Alright?
Okay, thank you guys. Hope you like the album.